So first up, we'll use the DAKOYU Triton. Probably gonna need 2 hands for this. And there it goes. I don't think I'm gonna be getting that, but as you can see, everything is still perfect. Now let's move on to the other one. Same as before. Get the washer. So give that a good squeeze. It's gotten pretty tough. There. That's loosened up. So as you can see, did not make it all the way through. So let's try that again with the Triton. Make sure it's not a fluke. And here we go. Ooh, that is a tough one. And there it goes. All right, everything's still there. Good as new. And smooth as butter. And if you want to fix what's going on with the other one, that's because it does have a bit of a gap at the very end, as you can see there, when it's fully closed. So here is the fix. Link in the description.